A day in the life of a Japanese potato farmer. Here we go. Yoga always. Keep that body fresh. Family breakfast. Gloves. Boots with the fur. Loading up in the K-truck. Sick four-wheel drive. Beautiful Hokkaido. Trotting on over to the potato picking machine. Battle stations getting psyched. Potato picking party commences. Picking out the rocks. Here we're sorting out the A and B quality potatoes. As you can see, we have a few potatoes picked already. Making sure they're evenly distributed. We're on our break. Gonna drink some hot ocha, perfect on a cold day. Get you some pokey. Oh yeah, what break isn't complete without some pokey. Got another full load here. Sorting the potatoes out again for Calby and JA. Yoko-san making our lunch. Some delicious udon curry with some mochi gyoza. So freaking good. Getting spicy with it. Getting seconds, thirds, fourths. Everyone happy. Even Moogie. So cute. I'm a cat person now. Emo, aka Potato. Cat nap. Hammock nap. Getting suited back on up for the field. Wish I could wear the Crocs out there. Junko-san, legend. She's been harvesting potatoes for the last couple decades. Sorting potatoes again. Making sure only the best potatoes make it through. All smiles still. Imagine potato salad, potato soup, potato casserole, potato chips, French fries, potato bread. I can't think of any more other potato things. Here we are putting the potatoes in the bin. The B ones go in that bin. The trash goes in the closest bin to me. And then those are all the A potatoes. Muko-san, always bringing that Genki spirit. Renkun and Sokun making sure everything's piled right. And we done. Potato picking, loading up the last two bins for the day. Two among many bins. Can't even keep track. Getting our little post-farm day workout in. Again, trying to keep our bodies strong. Yoko-san delivering another feast, a local Hokkaido dish called jingisukan, which is lamb. We got some corn from the backyard and some melon from the garden. Yum. Heading to town for some hanabi, Japanese fireworks. So pretty. Our end cap for the evening, little friendly game of Blockus, maybe not so friendly, Sokun. Not happy that I'm winning. Oh yeah, I won. Bringing home the W. Till next time, thanks for tuning in.